We deal with many file types daily, but not all open easily on a computer. One common mystery is the back file. In this video, you'll learn what back files are and how to open or preview them quickly on your PC. Part 1. What is back file? What is back used for? A back file is an automatic backup that stores a copy of your data. Apps like WhatsApp, Skull Server, and AutoCAD use it to restore lost or damaged files. Part 2. How to open back file with Microsoft Excel. Open Excel and go to File, Open, Browse. Select Backup Files, Zulk, Back. To view your back file, choose it and click Open. If a warning appears, click Yes to continue or use the text import wizard if prompted. Part 3. How to preview backup file with Back Format with File Viewer Plus. Install File Viewer Plus. Open it and load your back file, preview, edit, or convert it to formats like text, CSV, or XLSX, then save if needed. Part 4. How to preview back file with Skull Server Management Studio. Open Skull Server Management Studio, go to Restore Database, select your back file, enable Restore with Recovery, and click OK to restore. Part 5. How to export Android contacts or SIMs to back files handily. You can export contacts and text messages from an Android device to a computer in multiple formats, including back, using Mobikin Assistant for Android. Backing up important data becomes safe and efficient with its features. How to back up contacts or text messages to back via Mobikin Assistant for Android. Connect your Android phone via USB and enable USB debugging. Once detected, choose Contacts or SMS, select Items. Then click Export Backup to back to save them to your computer.